Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Sonic Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute Sonic, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. And since I'm drawing big enough, I'm just going to make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you're not drawing big enough, you can just put 1 circle right here for a highlight and then shade everything else in. And lines at the bottom. But this way I get to put some color on Sonic's eyes. So let's do the same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and let's say about right here in the center, I'm going to draw Sonic's nose. So come here with a curve right in the center and then round off the sides and bring it to the center with a widen out V. And then I'm going to come right at the top right here with a oval for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. Then from there we need to draw this curve around the nose. So I'm going to say right about here, right over the nose, I'm going to draw a soft curve. And then I'm going to bring it underneath the eye. Just curve under the eye. Same thing here. Curve under the eye. And then we're going to pass the eye and go around it. So go right here, go around. Past the eye, go around and bring it down. So same thing here. So we're just kind of drawing the mouth area and around. So then from there, let's go ahead and connect at the bottom of a curve. So not too tall, about right about here, and then connect it. There, something like that. And then from there we need to come back up in the center right about here, just a little bit of space. I'm just going to give myself a curve and I'm going to curve up right here around the eye, go up and bring it right back down to about here. So same thing here, go up just like the other side, and I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same height. And then I'm going to bring it back down to about here. Just like the other side. There. Okay, so we've surrounded our eyes. And then from there, let's give Sonic a cool smile. So right about here on the corner, I'm going to go ahead and draw this smirk smile. So we're going to go up and then cap it off. There. Then from there, let's draw the Squishmallow shape. So it's easier this way. I'm going to come to the top of this, the eye right here. I'm going to go out, say about that much. And same thing here. I'm just going to give myself some points. This is a little bit easier to draw. So same thing like the other side, but right there. And from there, I'm going to go up. So the Squishmallow shape is narrower at the top. So I'm going to go up. And on this side, I'm going to come down because it's just easier for my hand to draw that way. And then about right here, as I come up to the top, as I'm rounding to connect this, I'm going to stop and then curve in towards the center, just like this part, and then do the same thing, go up and back down. There. So we're just creating this little dip. And the reason we're doing that is because right in the center, we want to be able to draw his hair, the spike hair, the center spike. And just draw a curve over it. There. So if you're using a pencil, it might be easier for you to just draw this curve like a regular Squishmallow shape and then just pop this in. So play around with it, whatever is easier. Then from there, now that I have that in, I'm going to start to bring this down and around the head just to finish off my Squishmallow shape. So it's wider, about right here, and then we're going to start to bring it in. Okay, so now let's go ahead and bring it in. And same thing here, and then connect at the bottom. So we're just going to flatten it out a little bit towards the bottom. And connect. There. Okay, so it's just like this egg shape, right? An avocado. Then from there, I'm going to come and draw the tummy area. So I'll say about right here, I'll give myself a point, I'll start, and I'm just going to drag this point across about right here so I know where I need to go. And from there, I'm going to go up and create this big curve right underneath the mouth area. And oops. And come right back down. There. Nice and messy. I will definitely need to clean that up. And then from there, let's draw the ears, because this is looking weird, right? It doesn't look like Sonic yet. So let's come back to say about right here in this area, below this spike here. I'm going to say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and pop in Sonic's ear. So nice big curve. Round off the tip and bring it down. And then we're just going to draw the inside. So just follow your outside. And same thing here. All right there. And so once again, go ahead and go up like the other side, round off the tip and bring it down. And once again, the inside. There. And before we go, we need to draw some more spikes. So I'll say about maybe like where this mouth is, right here. I'm going to come out and about in this area. I'm just going to draw a curve that comes down and just tuck it in. And then it's about right here as well. And tuck it in just to make it look like there's all this spike hair going on the back. So same thing here. And bring it in. And one more. So about right here. And in. There. So hopefully that looks like Sonic. And then from there, actually now that I'm looking at it, it looks a little too, something's bugging me. I think I'm going to make this a little bit wider. Sorry. I think it's just starting to look too eggy. So I'm gonna make this part a little bit wider so it's not so sharp. There, I think that's a little bit better, right? What do you think? It was starting to look a little too much like a cone. Okay, there. So hopefully that's a little bit better. And that I helped you draw Sonic today. But before I go, I'm going to pop in a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Sonic Squishmallows. I really hope you loved this drawing and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.